Also, we will discuss about a very important issue, which is bullying. Bullying can destroy someone's life, especially for those who are already in a vulnerable condition, such as poverty or disability. Today, we will listen directly to the story of a very touching bullying victim, accompanied by his father. And to give a deeper understanding, we also present a psychology expert. Thank you to Reza and Mr. Damas who are willing to share the story. Maybe I want to start with Mr. Damas. How do you feel to see your child facing a situation like this?
Thank you, honestly. As a parent, it is very painful to see my son, Reza, have to go through bullying just because of his different condition and speed. He only has one hand, and we also come from a poor family at school. He is often bullied, mocked, and humiliated by his friends. Yes.
How did you know that he was bullied at school?
At first, they did well to tell. He tends to keep everything to himself, but I started to get suspicious when he often came home with a look on my face, so crying in his room, and did went to go to school. After I forget that they told the story.
Reza, maybe you can tell a little about your experience at school?
At school, after cattle before having only one hand, they said I could do. I think they also forget my phone. Family drive my butt, took my books and sometimes dropped my point to start at me.
How did you feel when you experienced error?
I feel very sad as made and have no peace for I live alone and as if everyone around me I didn't care. I want to quit school because I want to take it anymore.
My wife and I did all best to support him, but we also felt nervous. We have reported to the school, but it feels like an real action has been taken to stop me.
To further understanding the impact of this situation, we are now talking to Ms. Nia, a psychologist who handles many bullying cases. How do you see a case like this, ma'am?
Cases like this experienced by Reza are individual. Children with disabilities or those from low income families are often the target of bullying. The perpetrators use these children to oppress and humiliate the victims. The physiological effect of bullying can be profound for them.
What is the long-term impact on victims like this?
The impact can vary, but generally, of bullying can experience a decrease in self-confidence, anxiety, and examination. In fact, there are cases where victims experience serious mental health disorders due to prolonged bullying.
As parents, what more can we do to help our children deal with this situation?
Communities and emotional support let children feel alone in dealing with this problem. Speaking openly and listening to the complex needs of the first step. Communities either supervision or relaxation to the perpetrators of bullying. Checking professional help such as counselor of psychologists and also cultural experience in the community.
This is a very important discussion, and I really hope it can open many people's eyes imparted in explanation.
With a discussion like this, the cat will be more caring and proactive in revealing.
Thank you to I hope our story can help other who might experience the same thing.
For those of you who listen, remember, bullying is a serious problem that can leave deep wounds. If you or someone you know is experiencing bullying, don't be afraid to talk and seek help. See you in the next episode of Life Talks.